how to do calculations involving speed, distance, and time in 98 seconds. Let's go. Whenever it comes to working with speed, distance, and time, guys, the key is going to be to use the formula that speed is equal to distance divided by time. And if we want to, we can write this in this handy triangle to the right, which has an S in the bottom left, a D at the top, and a T in the bottom right. And that's sometimes going to be helpful for helping us to rearrange it, for example, to calculate time or to calculate distance. Let's have a look at these two examples then to see how it's applied. First off, Bolt runs 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. How are we going to calculate his average speed? What we're going to do is we're going to do that our speed is equal to our distance, 100 meters divided by our time, 9.58 seconds. And guys, if we type that into our calculator, we would get that our speed is equal to 10.44 meters per second to 2 decimal places. And our units, guys, are going to come from the fact that we're doing our meters divided by our seconds. Now, what about this next one, which says that Hammond drives at a speed of 128 miles per hour for 3/4 of an hour? How far does he drive in this time? So this time, guys, we want to calculate our distance. And to calculate distance, we're going to do our speed times by our time, because those two are at the bottom of our triangle. So we're going to do our speed divided times by our time, so we're going to have our distance is equal to our speed, 128 miles per hour, times by our time, 3/4 of an hour. And what's that going to be? 128 times 3/4 is going to be 128 divided by 4 times by 3. That's going to be 96, guys. So we get 96 miles as our answer.